Hey folks, thanks for tuning in again. So here in preparation for working on my Japanese garden right here in the background. Now that I got most of my vegetables planted and the garden beds kind of going, and there's just a couple other projects that I had to do before it got too hot. Now I'm going to go ahead and start working on the Japanese garden little by little. What I need to do is remove this bush right here. There was an azalea planted right smack here in the middle where this pond used to be. I have plans for this with decorative rocks and whatnot. The goal for today is to remove that with a pulley system that I've never done before. I just kind of seen online that you can do it to remove stumps. So this would be my very first attempt, and if that is successful, I have more around the property to do. All right, so go ahead and follow me along as I try to figure it out how to put this pulley system in place, and hopefully the tripod will kind of fit in between these rocks right here. And then what I'm going to do is plant this weeping spiral plum tree that if you saw some of the videos earlier this spring, this is really nice. But right now I just kind of put it next to this rain chain so that it could get some water until I can go ahead and put it into the ground. All right, let's go ahead and get some of this work done. Okay, so somewhere here in my mess I have that pulley that I bought at the store here in Japan. Yeah, yes, as you have seen before, I'm still working on this, but I have to kind of manage my time. You know, this is kind of like an evening project because I can work here in the evenings when it's dark. I already did that shelf over there, but once I get everything organized, life will be a whole lot better. But for now, let me see where this thing is at. Somewhere among my mess. Okay, here it is. I knew I had it here somewhere. All right, let's see what kind of straps I have up in here. Normally I just throw all kinds of stuff in here that I think I might need. A whole bunch of gloves. Little shovel. I don't know. Actually, I think. Let's see. I'm not sure if these will be strong enough, but let me try. I even have socks. Why do I have socks? I don't know. I'm not sure if it's going to be strong enough. I guess I'll start with these for now. I was waiting for that to happen. I guess I need a stronger strap. What I really need to do is go to the store and buy a chain. It's coming. Yeah. Hopefully this lasts before to snap. There it goes. Hey, yeah. There she is. Ugh. There was no way I was taking that out by hand. Yeah. Ah, all right. So, a couple lessons learned that I will incorporate for the next task. One, I need to make it higher. I have, several feet that I could have used. I did not think about the top. So obviously you need to maximize the length of your chain. Two, I need to buy chains, but also having a strap is actually pretty good because you could wrap around here and there. But the problem is this is a cheapy little weak one. I need to get one of those like 5,000, 10,000 pound big thick straps. This one snapped on me. That's when I let out a little cuss word there. My apologies. But yeah, I mean, did it. So now just need to take it off and go ahead and move that spiral weeping plum tree that blooms really pretty. And the reason why we're doing all this, again, because of the Japanese garden, but my vision is in this area right here, I want to have weeping trees. So one here, eventually I need to cut down the sickly pine tree that's right here. It has some sort of fungus right there, but so from here on out I want to have a couple more weeping trees and this beautiful maple tree, maybe one more, so we can enjoy the Japanese garden. Now that I got this out of the way, I'll be focusing on the pond area. As I mentioned before, there will be no water. There was water here, but once before, and there is some water system that I found over there, but I don't want to deal with that. There will be decorative rocks, stones, and a water fountain. There was a little solar panel that was on top of the roof that I want to use so I could go ahead and just have water running throughout the year. I do want to create some sort of like a waterfall, because there you can see that before it used to have some sort of waterfall here. So I still want to do that. Come down into here, into this thing that I pulled out, flip it over. It's that bowl, I forgot what it's called in Japanese. Probably put it around here. So folks, give me your ideas. I've mentioned this several times, but I'll say it again. A shishiodoshi, which is a bamboo where the water fills up and it flops, and then the bottom will bang up against the stone and make this clunk noise. I would really like to have like 3 all in line, clunk, 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 something like that. That's the plan, folks. The rose garden is coming along really nice. A battery bank there is charging. We bought it last week and it arrived, and this is my first time setting it up in preparation for future campervan trips. All right folks, let me go ahead and finish this and get that plum tree in there.